Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I show you my 1 month progress with Procreate letter writing. For a month, I practiced different ways to letter my name with Procreate. Some days, the practice session is for 15 minutes. Other days, I squeezed in 5 minutes at the end of the day to do lettering. There were days I just didn't find time to practice at all. What surprised me is in such a short time frame how fast my hand learned to be more stable and write smoother on Procreate. This is my first time using an Apple Pen to write letters, and I am truly amazed with how beautiful some of them turned out. Here, I created my name logo using the technique that went viral on TikTok. One thing I have to mention is I followed Procreate lettering tutorials here on YouTube. Depending on the days, whichever tutorial appealed to me, I tried to follow it. Next, I practiced simple lettering with my channel name. There is so much that Procreate can do. You should definitely give it a try. There were days when it's nice and peaceful. I get to Procreate for at least 30 to 45 minutes. It's simply amazing. I absolutely love this channel logo I created. I followed along a YouTube tutorial and customized to my own channel's name. Here you go. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.